enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to Playing Crazy Manchester, and let us know what players you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.